Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Justin. Welcome back to the channel. Today I just am doing Instacart for a little bit. I just wanted to go over a couple things that might not be so apparent if you are using Instacart, or if you're looking to do Instacart, then this will help you prepare. So stay tuned and stick around to the end to learn all of the little secret tips and tricks that I've learned after doing this for a little while. The first thing would be that the timer in the bottom right hand side, I'll put a little picture up of what I'm talking about. That and the delivered time, if you click the little eye icon, I'll put up another screenshot of that. The delivered time isn't the time that the customer sees. The delivery time is more for Instacart. It's based off of your own metrics of when you started shopping, how long they expect it to take for you to find all of the items, and how long it takes you to drive that set distance that they've already calculated out. So the earlier you are, the better, but it's not like if you don't show up and deliver it by that time that the customer is like expecting it and you're late, because that's not the case. The next thing I would like to go over a little bit about is the first couple days that I was doing this, I didn't really pay attention to how far away the delivery was from the store. That ended up making me spend more time on deliveries the first day that I did it. By the second day, I was more aware, so I slowed down doing that. I only took those ones if I absolutely had to, but yeah, watch out for those. It'll say like how many miles the delivery is away, and make sure that you factor that into the amount of time that you're gonna have to spend delivering it and returning back to another store, because you won't get paid by Instacart for the return delivery, only like the delivery there. The third thing that I want to talk to you guys about, make sure that you track all of your miles, okay? There's this great app called Stride. I will leave a little link to it down below, and I'll also put a little screenshot here so that way you can see what the app looks like. So this will help you track all of your miles. I just turn it on and say that I'm driving, and then when I'm done, I turn it off. It's just tallying everything as I drive. It just runs in the background. It won't work while you're in the store because you're not moving far enough or fast enough. So that's pretty good. And it'll just automatically keep track of everything. And you just have to remember to turn it off when you're done driving, and then mark it as you are making deliveries, so it puts it into that category. And sometimes I even go back through and I do this for each individual delivery, so that way, like, if there's downtime in between deliveries, I'm not taking deductions for the miles that I'm driving that are like have nothing to do with the deliveries, you know? If you can't find it, don't spend like 20 minutes trying to find it. Like, ask somebody for help if they don't know where it is either, and like, you've looked in the area it should be, you've checked all of the out of stock places where they just have the little Mylar tag with the price, and that's it. And then there's nothing on the shelves. Make sure that like it's not actually out of stock. And if you can't find the item, click on I can't find the item to begin with, so that way you can see replacement items that the person might want as well, so that way you're not just frantically looking for one item, you have other options that you can look for. But I'm gonna try to make sure that I get a picture of it, because sometimes when you have replacements, sometimes the people will request, they'll put that they want replacements, and then you'll have the lists of authorized replacements. And then the second option is that the customer does not choose any replacements. So in that case, it gives you a list of possible replacements, and these aren't always like, I just had mushrooms and it gave me a possible replacement with zucchini, so that's not going to work. And then the third option is that they will just say if the item's not there that they want a refund. So in that case, you don't need to try to find a replacement or anything like that, and you just give them a refund, and that's about it. But remember to always ask people in the store if you can't find something, if you need help with something, because sometimes items are in like specialty sections and it's hard to find. I actually bring my computer with me, and I try to edit these videos in the time that I have off, like the downtime in between Instacart deliveries. Like, if there's nothing in the location that I'm in, then I will just I'll find a place to park and I'll just sit there and send the videos from my phone to my computer, and then I'll edit them in iMovie, get them all good to go, and yeah, like figure out things that I need to add to the video, if there is anything I need to add to the video. The sun is right behind me and that's kind of annoying. So I actually did not stop the last time that I said I was going to. I went and I got groceries from Price Chopper. When I got home, I saw that there was this order that was a little bit far away and I really didn't want to take it. Instacart ended up adding it to as a peak hour or something, and it was $4 to start, and then I didn't really want to drive 20 miles for it and 20 miles back, but they changed it to $8 peak hour, so it's about 35 bucks. It should take about an hour, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Guys, what's up? So it's a couple days later, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate you guys watching all the way through. If you got to this point, give me a thumbs up or drop a comment. I'd love to say hi. Let me know how you like this, and if there's anything that you have any questions about that I can look into for you. As always, stay safe, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.